Started.
Hello everyone, this is my new mouse, the LoGiTech G600 MMO gaming mouse, and in French, Souris per MMO. So the DPI is 200 to 8200, and all of the stuff is there as a braided cable, 20 programmable keys right there, and also here, and there's a ring finger click on it. So should I start opening it?
Why not?
Okay. There's a setup guide, and I think this is the manual. Not sure. And this is the mouse itself. Oh, nice.
And there's my biryani.
What? I have no idea how to open this. Probably doing it wrong. Finally. So this is the mouse. See, ring finger click. The programmable buttons. These can glow, and you choose 16.8 million colors. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Are you excited, Baqar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye everyone.